It's a pleasure to announce the fourth Karwaan Book Award for books written on South Asian history, published in 2024. My name is Dilip Menon. I chaired the jury for this year. We had around 70 books in all to read. Not an onerous task. A lot of the books were delightfully written and they covered a whole range of themes. Working alongside me in the jury were Professor Shraddha Kumbhojkar, Rakshanda Jalil, Sucheta Mahajan, Kannad Sinha, and Sangeeta Dasgupta. It's a fair mix of those in academics and those who are, in many senses, amateur historians. Uh, there were fairly minimal criteria. So, works on autobiography, edited volumes, translations were excluded for fairly obvious reasons. The main criteria really was that the award should go to accessible history writing that draws the public towards reading and thinking about history and its protocols in a post-truth world. Now I'm happy to read the citation for the book that the jury unanimously felt needed a special mention. This is the book written by Vanya Vaidehi Bhargav, Being Hindu, Being Indian, a biography of Lala Lajpat Rai's ideas of nationhood. So many figures of early Indian nationalism are forgotten now or mentioned in textbooks as part of a litany that will soon be superseded by one name, that of Gandhi. It does an injustice to those who pioneered new forms of thinking and action while struggling with the complexity of Indian society under colonialism. Vanya Vaidehi Bhargav's deeply researched biography of Lala Lajpat Rai, written in compelling prose, sets a standard for the writing of popular history. Dispelling misunderstandings and well-worn cliches about Lajpat Rai, she rescues him from misappropriation by Hindutva ideologues, as well as a bland characterization as a heroic martyr in nationalist history writing. We get a complex picture of a thinker concerned with constructing an idea of India that transcended religious binaries, while unreflective of some of the fundamental hierarchies that separated Indians from each other. Vanya engages with the fluidity and contradictions of Lajpat Rai's thought with a clear vision, giving us a figure who embodies his time while providing signposts for the future. A vital book for our times as we contend with an entrenched religious majoritarianism that requires us, as historians, to recast politics as a space of struggle for a just society. With this biography, Vanya has made a stellar contribution that allows a new generation to engage with the unfinished and fraught task of making a secular Indian nation.
The Karwaan Book Award for 2025 goes to the well-known author and publisher Shashank Sinha's exciting new work, Casting the Buddha, a monumental history of Buddhism in India. Moving away from the traditional approach of writing the history of religion based largely on texts, Shashank Sinha's exciting new history is rooted in monuments, art, and heritage sites. Some of these spaces for devotion, scholarship, art, and politics include the Mahabodhi Temple, the stupa at Saji, the cave paintings at Ajanta, and the ruins of the famous University of Nalanda. Sinha in this book weaves for us a web of connected histories across time and space, beginning with the birth of the Buddha and bringing the story up to the present day, including sites associated with the rites of passage of the Buddha's life in India, as well as the spread of the faith to culturally diverse spaces across Asia, notably Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Southeast Asia. The canvas of the work is large, as is the timeline. I would say that it is a measure of the craft of the historian, that the work exercises a broad appeal to a general audience as well as an academic one at a time when local histories and histories with narrow specializations appear to be the order of the day. Extremely readable and lucid, Sinha's work displays academic rigor in ample measure. Most important of all, in an age of fundamentalist religions distorting social mores and underwriting politics, Buddhism, in casting the Buddha, offers a different kind of faith, a faith for our times.